Okay, so we have this equation here. And we need to get the right color to finish the equation. 13, less than symbol, -1. All right, so let's get started. Keeping in mind that there is a property over to the right that you should pay attention to as well, because we're going to have to use this property. So first and foremost, we want to do what we normally do, treat this just like it was regular, any other equation, except for, of course, you're going to have that stipulation coming once you get further down in the process. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to add 13 to both sides in order to get our absolute value or solution on its own. So that means that we're going to end up with 2x plus 2 is less than 12. Okay? Keeping in mind that it's less than our b value, and we're calling the left side a and the right side b because that's what it's called. One side is a, one side is b. Our 2x plus 2 is a, and our 12 is going to be b. So please keep that in mind, and I can write that a and that b up here. Okay? So it tells us that absolute a value is less than b for any positive number b. Okay, what do we have here? Take a look at b. B is positive. It's a positive 12 now. If absolute a is less than b, then negative b is less than a is less than b. So what we're going to simply do now is we're going to write this. We're just going to fill in this property. So negative b, which is 12, is going to be negative 12. And I want to make this in a different color so you can see a little bit better. I like to use the green. We're going to say negative 12 is less than a. A is 2x plus 2 is less than b. B is 12. Okay? We just filled in the blanks. Easy peasy, can't easy. After we do that, what we're going to do is we're just going to simply get x alone. So once you fill that in, you're done with them telling you got to do some stuff. Now you know what you have to do. You have to get x alone. In order to get x alone, we're going to first minus 2. But when you minus 2 from that center, you have to minus it from all sides because you don't want to be stingy. You're going to have to sharing is caring. And then we're going to make this disappear. It's gone. Okay? Now we're just going to simplify. So negative 12 minus 2 is going to give us negative 14. Okay? We're going to bring our symbol down. Nothing changes there. And then we have 2x. Then we have 12 minus 2. It's going to give us 10. All right. So negative 14 is less than negative 2x. And negative 2x is less than 10. All right. In this problem, they're only asking you for to solve the inequality and to give the solution set. They're not telling you to put it in any form. They just want these numbers, their solution set. So you only have to know how to write a solution set. All right, but we're not done yet, you all. Nope. That x is still not alone. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide all the sides by 2. So we can get rid of that x. Just exactly how you would have done another equation. You're just going to divide, except for it's 2 sides this time. But you're going to divide the sides by that number that's by the x, because it's multiplication, to get rid of it. So guess what? We no longer have this anymore. Okay, and I'm going to rewrite it over here to the right. Start writing it over here, rewriting it over here to the right. Okay, so negative 4 divided by 2 is going to give us negative 7. And then we're going to just put our x. And then 10 divided by 2 is going to give us 5. Guess what? Our answer is in here. For the x, you're just going to leave it x. It's just like the solution already knows that it's x, you know. So what you're going to do is your answer, you're going to put your open parentheses, and it's not an equal to. If it was an equal to sign, you would put the equal to the bracket, which looks like this, but it's not. Okay, so you're just going to use your parentheses, and you're going to put your -7 and your comma 5. You will get it wrong in a system like Math Labs or something like that if you put 5 -7. The reason being is because your lowest number is going to always go on the left. So make sure that you put your lowest number to the left. So the answer to your question is -7 and 5. And let me go ahead and be extra and write the solution sets. All right.